Alright, hey guys, this is Mac here from KirkpatrickWoodshop, and today I just want to do a short video. We'll get outside of the shop and I'm going to show you how to change the water filter on this Whirlpool refrigerator. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to do more of these DIY around the house videos as well as my woodworking videos. So please stay tuned, and I hope this helps you guys out. Alright guys, first thing is to go to your local Lowe's and get a water filter that's going to fit your refrigerator. So I went over there and went to Lowe's and got this every drop water filter. Says it fits Whirlpool, Maytag, Amac, Gen Air, fits a lot of different refrigerators, and so should be real simple, and we'll get started. Alright guys, so here's the water filter out of the packaging. Comes out real simple. You might be wondering why I'm down here at the bottom of the refrigerator. Well, this is where the filter is. There's a door right here, and so you just pull this back and you can see the filter is already pushed out. So we'll remove this cap on top of the water filter. We'll expel the old. You can see there are lines that are giving you the right orientation of which way it needs to go in, as well as the new one. So we'll do the same with it. So here it is again. There's the lines pointing to the left. Place it in its hole, and then shut the door behind it. Okay, here's a close view. So there's the arrows pointed left. You just stick it right in there. There's only one way it can go in, and then just shut the door behind it until you hear a click. That's all you got to do. Alright, the next step is I'm going to take this this glass cylinder and I'm going to bleed the line. Try to get the air out of the tank, or out of the line. You need a large cup or a bucket, because this will take quite a bit of water. You want to do this until the water runs clear. It's going to have to run through the charcoal of the water filter, and you don't want that in your glass to drink. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this out. It started to run like normal, so I'm going to dump this out real quick. I'll run it a little bit longer just to make sure. Alright, seems to be running like normal, nice and clear. I don't see anything in the water. So my last suggestion is going to be this. I would dump all the ice and start fresh and let it cycle through and make a couple batches of ice, and dump that one more time and start fresh with everything. That way there's no chance of having any charcoal or any part of the filter that might have gotten through the lines into your ice as well. And other than that, you're done. Our house is built in 2015, so this is roughly a 3 or 4 year old refrigerator. So you know, whatever, if this model looks like yours, it's really simple, and the filter at Lowe's was $49.99. So really not that much money when it lasts roughly 6 months or so. So hope you like this video. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing, and you want to see some more videos from Kirkpatrick Woodshop. So have a good day, and thanks for watching.